Today's video we're going to have a partnership and collaboration with Google Gemini. Let's get started.
Hello, I am ready to collaborate. Whether you are looking to brainstorm ideas, organize a project, dive into some research, or just map out some goals, I am here to help you get things done. What is on your mind today? Let me know what we are working on, and we can get started. The Google Book platform and its upcoming operating system have been generating a ton of buzz since Google announced them at the pre-I/O Android Show event. It marks a massive shift in how Google is approaching laptops, essentially transitioning from a traditional web-first setup to what they are calling an intelligence system. Here is a breakdown of what makes this new OS and hardware platform so interesting. The core DNA, merging Chrome OS and Android. For years, Google kept Chrome OS and Android separate, later allowing Android apps to run inside Chrome OS. The new Google Book OS flips that script by building a single, cohesive platform heavily rooted in the Android tech stack while retaining the desktop-grade Chrome browser. Codename Aluminium OS, while Google clarified that Aluminium OS was just the internal development codename and won't be the final commercial name. It represents a unified platform built from the ground up for larger screens, premium multitasking, and desktop-level workflows. Linux support. To target more professional users and developers, the OS is expected to offer much deeper, more natural integration for Linux desktop apps than the older Chromebook container system did. Built around Gemini intelligence. Google isn't just treating AI as an app or a side feature. The Google Book OS is designed around it. Contextual cursor. The mouse cursor itself gains AI powers, allowing it to read what's on your screen and suggest instant actions, like automatically drafting a calendar invite from an email or editing an image on the fly. Create your widget. Users can use natural language prompts to have Gemini build custom, real-time widgets. For example, you can tell it to pull data from your Gmail and Google Calendar to instantly spin up a personalized dashboard. Cross-device streaming. The OS allows for deep integration with Android smartphones, meaning you can stream and interact with apps installed on your phone directly on the laptop screen without installing them locally. Moving uptown. Premium hardware. Unlike early Chromebooks, which heavily targeted budget-friendly education markets, Google Books are aiming for the premium end of the laptop market to compete more directly with MacBooks and high-end Windows PCs. The Glow Bar. Google has teased that all partner laptops will feature a distinctive, premium design element called the Glow Bar. Heavyweight partners. Hardware giants like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo are already lined up to release the first wave of Google Books later this fall. It is definitely a bold gamble to rethink the laptop. What part of the new ecosystem are you most curious about? Is it the AI cursor, the Android Chrome Fusion, or how it might handle day-to-day multitasking? Thanks. I appreciate that. I'm having a great time collaborating with you too. Whenever you're ready, let me know what we're diving into next. Let's dive into Android 17. Codenamed Cinnamon Bun, this release brings a massive wave of features specifically designed for creators, alongside some clever quality-of-life updates that focus on digital well-being and performance. The biggest highlights include 1. Built for content creators. Google has put a huge emphasis on turning Android devices into mobile production studios with Android 17, Screen Reactions. You can now record your screen and yourself simultaneously. This allows you to easily create reaction videos or overlays on top of trending clips, social media comments, or gameplay without needing third-party green screen apps. The Instagram optimization. Google and Meta teamed up to completely overhaul the capture-to-upload pipeline. Flagship Android devices now support native Ultra HDR capture, built-in video stabilization, and night sight integration directly within Instagram, making uploaded stories and reels look incredibly sharp. AI, Smart Enhance and Sound Separation. A single tap uses on-device AI to upscale video quality. Additionally, the Native Edits app can now identify and isolate distinct audio tracks, like separating wind noise or background music from a voice, so you can clean up noisy recordings instantly. 2. Breaking the doom scroll loop. One of the most talked about wellness features is called Pause Point. Instead of just setting strict app timers that you might easily skip, Pause Point uses behavioral psychology to gently interrupt mindlessly scrolling through social media, helping you break the dopamine loop and put the phone down naturally. 3. Under-the-hood tech upgrades. For the tech enthusiasts, Android 17 makes some major shifts in how hardware is used. WebGPU and Vulkan shift. Google is shifting OpenGLES to maintenance mode, pushing the platform forward by prioritizing Vulkan and WebGPU for much faster, more efficient mobile gaming and 3D graphics rendering. Advanced Professional Video, APV, co-developed with Samsung. This is a highly storage-efficient professional video format that utilizes hardware acceleration on the newest mobile processors. Are you looking at Android 17 from a user perspective, or are you curious about how these new creator tools and AI features will look on upcoming hardware? You're very welcome. I enjoyed chatting with you and exploring the future of tech together. Whenever you're ready to team up again, I'll be right here. Have a great rest of your day, and talk to you later. Goodbye.